2021 Civil Engineering Set 1 Question 15. A highway designed for 80 km per hour speed has a horizontal curved section with radius 250 meters. If the design lateral friction is assumed to develop fully, the required super elevation is. The options are given as 0.02, 0.05, 0.07 and 0.09. The relevant reference to the NPTEL course has been provided as below. Coming to the useful data for this question, we need to know the equation for super elevation. So the intent of providing super elevation is to raise the outer edge of the pavement with respect to the inner edge by providing it an angle of inclination theta, so that when the vehicle travels on this raised road, the centrifugal force can be counteracted. The centrifugal force will act in a horizontal direction of P. It will have two components. One will be P cos theta and the other one will be P sin theta. The weight of the vehicle will act in the downward direction and the friction will act towards the downward direction. So if we resolve all the forces along the incline, we would get it as P cos theta equals W sin theta plus friction into P sin theta plus W cos theta. When we solve this equation and obtain the ratio of P by W, we would get it as tan theta plus friction 1 minus friction times tan theta. Tan theta is approximated as theta, or in this case the super elevation for small angles of theta. So P by W is given as E plus F by 1 minus EF. For small values of EF much less than 1 minus EF is approximated as 1. So this gives P by W, which is also known as V square by GR, as E plus F. This is the same equation. Here V is used in SI units, but if we use V in kilometers per hour, a coefficient of 127 is used. Coming to the question, the V in this question is given as 80 kilometers per hour and radius is given as 250 meters. We are told to assume that friction has developed fully. So the full value of friction is usually assumed to be 0.15 if not provided. So from the previous equation, E plus F is equal to V square by 127 R. If we substitute the maximum value of friction, that is 0.15, speed as 80 and radius as 250 meters, we would get this as E plus 0.15 equals 0.2. This would provide us with E as 0.05. This is our super elevation value. So a highway designed for 80 km per hour speed with a horizontal curve of radius 250 meters. If we assume the lateral friction to be developed fully, the required super elevation would be 0.05. The equation used was E plus F equals V square by 127 R. The relevant reference to the NPTEL course has been provided as below.